Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the duration of your photos within your edits on KineMaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device, and once you open it up, you can start a new project or continue editing from your previous saved one. Now once you're inside the editing timeline, you can add any photo from the media option and the image assets, or you may also import images from your gallery. Now, whenever you add images, the duration will be the default one that is set within your settings. If you wish to change this, just tap on any blank space within your project and then tap on the gear icon at the left. From here, tap on editing, and now you will see the default photo duration option. You can choose your default duration for photos whenever you import them, and you can also change the default photo display mode. There is also the option to choose your default transition duration, and after changing to your desired duration, just close this menu and your photo duration will be changed to this one every time you add a new photo. You can also tap and drag the endpoint of your photo in order to manually define your duration within your edits. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your photo duration within your edits on KineMaster. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.